Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to do a swipe today. I'm just going to go over this old one that I don't like anymore. I'm going to use colors that I used in a blue earlier. The plan is to swirl the paints on. And I'm going to use my playing cards to swipe with. All right. Okay. I've got some iridescent gold by Behr. I'll just swipe in the middle. Excuse me. I find using the playing cards fairly easy for me. You can use a palette knife, you can use a number of different things. And I've tried them all. That's pretty. That one is Leaf Green by Arteza. No, Artist Loft, and Arteza Mint Green. And then I had Behr Gold. So now I've got Pearl Peony Pink by Arteza. And I have some Peridot Green, which is a metallic green by DecoArt. I have some Pearl Pink by Arteza with some Amsterdam Persian Rose. I have some Yellow Green by Amsterdam. I don't have a dark pink. might have one I can find. Maybe I'll just leave it. Rose Shimmer by Folk Art. It's a bit darker. All right, let's see what we're gonna get. Okay, I've got my playing card. All right, let's see what we're gonna get. I'm gonna go this way now. Whoa. Beautiful. I just want to go down this side. All right. See what we get. I'll spin it. Was lot of paint on here. The paint mixtures are the same as what I use for my blooms. Colors are all really pretty. I think I might make some coasters from these colors. White bubbles. Whoa, it's sliding off. Oh my God. Don't want that to happen. I better just spin it gently or else it'll be flying off. I think this might be enough. Let's see how much it's moving. Oops, it's moving all right. I think it's fine. I can't tip it anymore or spin it too much more. Okay, thanks for watching. I just love these pretty colors together. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Helps me grow. Hit the bell, you'll be notified when I do a new video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. And give me a comment or ask me a question under the video. My recipes are in their description under the video also. Have a great day, everybody. Hold it up a little closer for you. Thanks for watching. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried swipe. Dried really good. Pretty colors. I love it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.